After the cut is a push tool. The push tool is good when you have, for example, move some of the, some of the guides, move them inside, for example, such these things, and you want to push them up. You can use push, and it's based on a surface, and the normals get pushed from this surface. Just select the push and choose the distance here. Okay, and you have to apply. Choose the distance and then apply. You can see it pushed the hair based on the distance from the surface. And apply. And you can see it has some issues because it does not recognize the surface. You can increase the number of the segment. You can control the strength of this push from the root to the tip. You can see. Then fix that issue. So it's another usage of that. Okay, you can turn off the surface and just turn on the guide. It pushes all the guides away from each other based on this distance, and then apply. Oh, you can see. Oh, it's very time consuming process for doing. It's randomizedly. Oh, you can see push all of the guides from each other based on this curve. Oh, any changes, shut down the Cinema 4D. It's a control based route from the tip. Okay, this is a push. Just Ctrl Z to bring back. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.